guys, I will show you slightly, very briefly, how discrepancy works in our portal. First of all, you have to be conscious about that if we come here in configuration document, there's a lot of information that we are taking from Business Central. In this case, we have information related to the POs. This is in header, we have the information of the total PO, but for discrepancy, we are using always the part related to line items. In line items, we can just get discrepancy from delivery notes, or we can get information from the discrepancy related to the PO line item. So if we come here and we click on predefined value, all the information of the existing POs that we have in Business Central will appear here with all the characteristics they had. For example, if I am just highlighting this PO with this number here, as you know, you can see it here, we have four line items. These four line items have a description. Then the description is this one, and also quantity and unit price. As you know, and you can see, we have here the information of quantity, unit price, what's the name of well, the product code in this case, but the product code could be different, slightly different, and then on this we have what is called a fallback. That in case we don't identify this code, we can go to an alternative code, and then the third step would be try to find in a semantic way, comparing the description existing in the invoice against the descriptions we have in the purchase order. Okay, so the purchase order data comes because of the synchronization we have in the integration with Business Central in this use case. Second step, what we can compare with. Here in configuration, in discrepancy, there are a lot of available ways to compare. The first ones, without any name of an ERP, this fourth one, are related to only documents that come to those portal and are classified as delivery note, purchase order, and so compare against other documents only coming to our portal, like invoice in this case, or purchase order, or invoice. The ones that have this prefix or the name of an ERP, like in this case, Business Central, for example, Sage 200, Odoo, and so, are the ones that we only can compare against same the information coming from the synchronization we have from the ERP. So in this case, for example, in Business Central, we only have available to compare invoices coming to the portal with the POs that we have in Business Central. Let me show you the example. So clicking here, you can select different ways to compare unit price or unit quantity. That's it in the items. So let me show you how it comes. For example, this invoice is correct, so it is not appearing, it's appearing nothing. This one has a discrepancy because we have clicked on those from Business Central, and what she is doing is just checking the same PO that I was showing you previously. Then the discrepancy is shown here. As you see, total quantity, blah blah, and that is different. Okay, so someone has done here something manually, I guess. Line items. Okay, 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 okay. So, so this is this is what we have. Okay. Also, let me show you something that is aligned with this discrepancy. Uh, if we only click on discrepancy and show discrepancy, the invoice is going to be recorded on the other side. But for stopping it, we have these discrepancy flow. We can create a flow related to discrepancy like prueba and then say that discrepancy selected is like yes. And then with this and selecting who is approving this, we just save it and then those comes there. So this is how is discrepancies are working in our portal.